How's your ice cream, Aubrey? Is it delicious? Have a bite of the ice cream sandwich.
Okay. Can we help me?
You need me to help you pick it up?
Yes.
Here you go, hold it.
My mom is bad.
No way. Take a lick. Lick it.
Is that Steve?
Take a bite.
Daddy, not on me?
Daddy's in his tummy, yes.
Oh no.
Are you going to eat all the little chocolate chips?
Yes,
What about the ice cream?
chocolate.
You just want the chocolate? I don't want any, thank you. Cheese, chocolate chip, thank you. That was a good picture of the chocolate chip.
Daddy in there.
You see Daddy in there?
Yes.
Where?
Daddy! In there now?
I don't think he's in there.
Daddy's behind you. I'm washing dishes.
No, Daddy, no, my mommy is there.
You want Mommy to do the dishes?
I got.
Oh my gosh. Are you going to eat any more of your ice cream sandwich?
Yes.
Okay. Have a bite.
Daddy. It's not
Daddy's is in his tummy.
okay.
Take a lick.